Let's take her for a little spin. See what we think. We got a couple things done today. We got that hood working, good latch, and we got her to idle. Pretty good start. I wonder when the last time somebody checked the oil in it is. Put that on my list. 11,997 miles, now it's got 11,006. 10,009, 10,006. And that's when it's supposed to be changed. So somebody did change it. Change the oil in the last century. That's a good thing. I appreciate this vehicle to the person that sold it to me. Just because I'm talking about maintenance issues, don't think I don't appreciate it. So it's a good toy to play with. We can have some fun with this. It's fun to have a four-wheel drive Jeep. You can quick it into four-wheel drive and drive it over that bank right there. Right here. See if I can do this without the front bumper scraping. See, that's what makes four-wheel drive fun, is you can drive around places where you can't normally drive as you get stuck. Back here in my backyard. Let's just play with it. Let's go down here. I ain't been out here much since I got back. Let's just go down here and play with it. Oh, the joy! Oh, see what things are looking at. There's Fred. I'm gonna go up and see Luke in a few days. He was talking to me about Fred this morning, so Fred's looking good. Fred has made it until now. See, this is the place right here where you'd get stuck if you had a two-wheel drive vehicle.